हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। आपका मैंने कल फर्स्ट टाइम सेमिनार अटेंड किया एंड इट्स रियली वेरी वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। आई गॉट सो मैनी इंफॉर्मेशंस फ्रॉम दैट एंड सिंस आई थिंक लास्ट 4-5 डेज से मैं आपके वीडियोस भी देख रही हूँ एंड योर वे टू टीच द jewelry is really amazing and very easy. So I am very happy and I would like to see more of your collection, your videos, and obviously all of your next webinar. I will be there with you. Definitely I will get so many information and I will see all your videos now. And if you have recording of your webinars, then please send. I would love to watch that webinars also. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I would like to some information regarding your e-commerce course and if any course specially for only this Kundan jewelry. So please let me know about that also.